Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll share with you an analysis on Bitcoin. Here we are on the daily time frame, and as you can see, the price is moving inside a large corrective pattern. From the top we can observe a strong resistance zone that is coming from 73.8k, and since that moment the price is not creating higher highs anymore. On the opposite side, we can see that the price already created lower lows in this area, thus raising the chances also for a bearish movement. So the chances are that we can see a bearish continuation movement from here. However, the pattern is accumulating, and overall it can be also a bullish pattern, but we have to be careful and not to speculate with the bullish move so far, because it's too early and also very risky considering how the price is taking shape. On the other hand, on the 4-hour time frame that I'm looking at, the price is acting in a very complex way, let's say this time. I would like to look at for a strong resistance zone near to the top of this area here, near to 62.6. As we can observe, the price moved down from this area several times, from the red area that I draw here, and we must be careful because the strength of this zone can push the price down to the support zone that is located near to 56. So this is the problem that we have with this pattern here. A move below this area can push the price down further to the other zone, which can be found near to 50k, let's say, because it's a round number, and this is how it can take shape, the bearish wave. On the opposite scenario, for the bullish movement, we have to be very careful. It is not ready yet, but if the price will manage to break through the entire red zone, the chances are that it can move up to the top of the structure. So the top of the structure that we can see, this is near to 70k here, and the move near to this area can expose the price again to the bearish movement. So everything depends from this red zone that I would like to focus for today. We have also the Jackson Hole Symposium, and the market is focused on Powell's speech, but in my opinion we don't have to expect many new messages from Powell related to the rate cut. Probably he will repeat the same thing as the FOMC minutes posted yesterday, so they may cut the rates on September meeting, and that is not something new, but that price reaction can create the bearish wave rather than the bullish wave. However, we have to be careful for the bullish move because it can be created before the Jackson Hole Symposium, which will begin today, and later we can see the dump. The second analysis that I'm gonna share with you today is ADA USDT. From a daily perspective, we may see that the price almost reached the bottom of the structure. It was rejected on December 2022 near to this area. It was rejected on June 2023, October 2023, and here we have the price that is testing the same zone, and the price reaction is quite strong for the moment. The chances are very high that probably ADA finished the bearish movement at this point, and we can see the price rising further. If we are going to look at this on the daily chart, the price is moving down from this area, as you can see here. Small correction, an impulsive movement that was very ugly, small correction, a deep correction, and the price is moving down. So considering the way how the price is moving up with big waves, the chances are higher that we may see ADA rising further from this support area again. We have to be very careful for the big bullish movement is required for the price to break above this type of pattern here. The price is moving inside this type of channel. It could be possible that we can see also double bottom before the price moves up. But if this is the right time, it is likely that we may see ADA to bounce at this point here and the next bullish movement can happen. So we are near to a very big movement that may happen soon, but we have to focus only on the breakout. So it may happen that it can happen during this movement that we are right now, on this bullish movement, but it can also test the bottom and it can happen later. But overall, this is getting ready for a bullish move. Let's see what do we have on a lower time frame. If we are going to break ADA on a 4-hour time frame, to break this chart down, the price was accumulating inside this triangle pattern here, and finally we can see the price breaking out from the pattern. This is showing that the bullish momentum is getting higher with time. We have a very solid breakout, price is moving down, and usually it means that we have only a possible retest before the buyers increase in number and will push the price higher again. So this is a very simple trading scenario that we are looking at for the moment. The price may rise from the current zone where it is right now, 0.3660, or it can move a bit lower before it moves up again. Related to the targets, we are looking at the structures on the 4-hour. This is the first structure that we are looking at for the moment. And if we are going to look at also on the left side of the chart, we have structure zones again. And if this area will be broken, then ADA is going to test another and very strong and important structure zone. That is going to be a very strong resistance area here, and probably we may see a profit taking opportunity from the market participants. The final move related to the current pattern could be the top of the zone if you are going to have a bigger target, so if you want to target higher. So this is the maximum that it can offer. However, everything is related to the way how the price will develop during these days. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.